Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer Google Chrome data to Microsoft Edge. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Edge browser on your computer. Once the browser launches and you can see the main page, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice a three-dot menu icon there, which opens up additional options for customizing and managing Edge. Go ahead and click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu. Then from the options that appear, click on Settings. This will take you to Edge's comprehensive settings panel where you can control various aspects of your browser. After clicking Settings, you'll find yourself in the Settings interface with a sidebar on the left side of your screen. Make sure you're currently on the Profiles section. This is usually the default view when you first open Settings, but if you're not there, simply look for Profiles in the left sidebar and click on it. The Profiles section is where Edge manages all your account-related information and data import features. Once you're in the Profiles section, look for an option labeled Import Browser Data and click on it. This feature is specifically designed to help you migrate your information from other browsers seamlessly, making the transition to Edge much smoother without losing any of your important browsing history or saved passwords. Now, you should see a section that says Import Data from Google Chrome. This is exactly what we need to transfer your Chrome information. Right beside this option, you'll see an Import button. Click on it to begin the import process. This will open up a new window with more detailed import options. In the import window that appears, locate the Import from drop-down menu at the top. Make sure Google Chrome is selected here. This ensures that Edge knows exactly which browser to pull your data from. If you have multiple browsers installed, this drop-down lets you choose the right source. Next, you'll see a Profile drop-down menu. Click on it to reveal all the available Chrome profiles on your computer. If you use multiple Chrome profiles for different purposes like work or personal browsing, this is where you select which specific profile's data you want to import. Choose the profile that contains the data you need. Below the profile selection, you'll notice several checkboxes under a section that says Choose what to import. Here you can see options for different types of data like browsing history, favorites, passwords, autofill information, and more. Go ahead and check the boxes next to the specific data you want to transfer to Edge. This gives you complete control over exactly what gets imported, so you're not forced to bring over everything if you don't want to. After selecting your desired data types, click the Import button to start the transfer process. Edge will now begin copying your selected Chrome data. This might take a moment depending on how much information you're importing, so just let the browser do its work, and that's it. You've successfully transferred your Google Chrome data to Microsoft Edge, bringing all your important information along with you. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.